This is a twist down simple stitch. It's a little easier than the twist up simple stitch, and you do the twisting of the yarn beforehand. So twist around and then pull through. What this does is it produces a little X here. That's pearl. Twist. See that little X here and here? All right. Grab the hook, grab the yarn, twist it, and then pull through a loop. Grab the yarn, twist it, pull a loop through. Again, this is a brand new hook, and I'm struggling with it. But I'm sure I could get used to it after a while. There we go. Pull a loop through, twist the yarn, and then pull a loop through. Twist the yarn, pull a loop through. So it gives these little X's. Just go ahead and do the last stitch. Normally under the 2 bars, chain 1, close it up. I want to try this one more time because I think I can get a better job and you'll be able to see what it looks like. The 1 loop ending. All right, grab the yarn, twist it, pull up a loop. Grab the yarn, twist, pull up a loop. Grab the yarn, twist, pull up a loop. This is more of a twist down and then up. So that's the difference between a twist up and a twist down. Now see, it didn't take long. Now I've got a rhythm going on. So if you're struggling, just keep trying.